Guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you had a wonderful week. So in this vlog we're cooking mazondo in Shona, and in English cow hooves. Let me know what you call this in your own language. I'm interested to know what you call it in your own language. Comment down below. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so I start off just by putting water and turning on the stove, and then we grab the spices. We've got 6 grand grill. Yeah, this video is not sponsored. Some salt, forgive me because I measure with my eyes. I don't do the teaspoons and the what. I just measure with my eyes, and I've never gone wrong. And then we put some curry in there, chop up some garlic and put it in there. So I put all these things in before the water even starts to boil. Then we mix them up, and then we let the stove do its work. Yes, you should know that if you're planning on cooking mazondo, you need time, like a lot of time. This took me about like 3 hours to boil until they were really like tender and ready for me to put the soup in and then dish up. So just I don't usually cover it or like put the lid on properly, because then the water will overspill onto the stove. That makes sense. Not to mira. Hey guys, English never left us. So I'm about to start cooking the sadza or pap, as they call it in SA. Let me know what you call it in your homeland, if you have something similar to this. This is Zimbabwe's staple food, guys, and we love it. So first off, I just start by putting the meal in cold water. Again, guys, I use my eyes to measure. I don't really know how to explain to you guys how much millimil you need to put in, or so just do a trial and error. If you're new to cooking sadza, do a trial and error. You're gonna need boiling water, and then don't just throw your millimil in the hot water without the cold water, because it'll get lumpy. So once you mix the two, you stir until it starts to boil. So here you can see it's starting to bubble. In Shona we call this kukwata. sadza redu rakukwata now, and you cover it. So leave it like this for like 15 minutes, and then you go in with the mealy meal and you mix up. This is how the cow hooves were looking. I put the tomatoes and the onions, and we are ready to make our soup now. So I prefer gravy that's a bit thick, and to accomplish that I usually use this Royco. In this case I use this flavor because it is really good with the beef. So yeah, again I measured with my eyes, and then I'm just stirring the Royco and the cold water, and then I poured it into the pot, stirred it up, and then we were done with the cow hooves.
And I know it's good to taste. It tastes so good. I could drink you all day. Cool me down in the race. Yeah, baby, that hits the spot. A lemonade. Oh, na na, yeah. Do you feel what I'm feeling? Oh, na na, yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm losing control. Oh, na na, yeah. Do you want it that badly? Oh, na na, yeah. And never let it go. You're my parachute. Always there if I fall. I can count on you. When I'm in trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble, trouble. You asking for a little trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble, trouble. But you're my parachute. You're my parachute. Always there if I fall. I can count on you. When I'm in trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble, trouble. You asking for a little trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble, trouble. But you're my parachute.
Look at that soup. Doesn't it look just like, guys? Soupi gainaka, guys, and doing it. It was really good. So yeah, I just covered it for a bit. I turned off the stove, let the heat do its thing, and then it was time to do our sadza.
Always there if I fall. I can count on you. When I'm in trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble, trouble. You asking for a little trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble, trouble. But you're my parachute. You're my parachute. Always there if I fall. I can count on you. When I'm in trouble, trouble. I'm a little bit of trouble.
So you want to make sure you don't put too much mealy meal. Saka, you put a little bit, you mix it up and see if the consistency is good for you. If it's not, you add a little bit more, but more na sadza mwana wa mai. Mix it well, because if you don't, it will get lumps and it's not nice to eat when it's lumpy. So you have to really mix it. So when you're done, cover it for about 5 minutes so that I don't know how to explain that in English, but you have to cover it for like 5 minutes and let it sit on the low heat. And then when you're ready to plate, you just mix it up again and then you plate up. Now we are plating up takupakura sadza redu. Yeah, dishing up for people is like stress. Comment down below and let me know if you are a pro at dishing up for people, if you know who likes large portions or small portions. It's never easy. It took me a while to get to know the people that I'm always dishing up for. So now I kind of know who likes large portions or who likes small portions or who likes which part of the meat. And I must say, this comes with being like the wife of the house. Normally, I usually do cook this with a little bit of collard greens on the side, but on this day I hadn't gone to the market, so I didn't have any veggies, so we just had it like this before your Zimbabweans come for me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Do subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you.